Oh, and then I need a screenshot. Okay, in a circle with radius 2. So I'm gonna draw a little picture for you guys so you know like what these are even talking about. So here's a circle, my best circle. No, it's not my best circle. Definitely not my best. Okay, here's a circle and the radius is 2. An angle intercepts an arc of length 8 pi over 3. So I'm just gonna underline that arc of length 8 pi over 3. And let's just highlight that. Okay, that should be about, there we go, something like that. Okay, so this yellow part that I highlighted has a length of 8 pi over 3. Okay, and you don't really need to know like how wide it opened. That's totally okay. I just kind of drew that because I kind of know how wide it is. And then we're going to find the angle in radians in simplest form. So I'm going to measure this angle, okay? And the symbol I'm going to give to this angle is this symbol over here. Is the Greek letter called theta. Okay, so I'm going to refer to that as theta, okay? It's like our unknown, it's our x. It just means the angle. It's typically the symbol you use to describe an angle, okay? Okay, so there's a formula for this. Oof, what is the formula? Okay, so our angle S, for some reason our book likes to use S for arc length, okay? S is equal to R times theta. So let me label this as arc length. Why is it an S? Don't ask me. Ask the old dead white person who made it up, okay? And then R is your radius. And theta is your angle in radians. Okay, so we're going to be using this formula. So make sure you write this formula down and use it in your notes and keep it there so that you will remember. Okay, so now let's plug it into our formula. So our S, which is our arc length, that's 8 pi over 3, is equal to our R, our radius, which was 2, multiplied by our angle theta. So far, I just put 8 pi over 3 as our arc length is equal to 2 as our radius times theta. And then we're going to be solving for theta. So to solve for theta, theta is being multiplied by 2. So we need to get rid of that by dividing by 2 on both sides. Okay, so then the 2's get to cancel out. We get theta alone. And then 8 pi over 3 divided by 2. So since we're dividing by 3, then dividing by 2, it's really 8 pi over 6. And then we need to simplify this by canceling out the 2 from each of these. So dividing by 2 on the top, dividing by 2 on the bottom. This gives us 4 pi over 3. So to simplify this, I divided by 2, divided by 2 on both the top and bottom, and we got 4 pi over 3. Do you have questions on this one? Okay, so remember that we're using this formula a lot in this section. S equals R theta. And then we got 4 pi over 3. I'm just gonna type that in. 4 pi over 3. Then let's go to the next one. Okay, screenshot. Once again, the formula to use is S equals R theta. Why is it an S? I still don't know. But let's plug it in now. In a circle with radius 9, an angle intercepts an arc of length 9 pi over 2. Find the angle in radians in simplest form. So we have the same type of problem again. Let's plug it in. 9 pi over 2 is our arc length, is equal to our radius, which is 9, times theta, which is our unknown. So 9 pi over 2 is equal to 9 times theta. Then, in this case, we need to get rid of that 9, so we divide both sides by 9. Cancel out. Then you get theta all by itself, and then this will be 9 pi over 18, which is, of course, simplifiable. Let's divide both the top and bottom by 9. Let's write it over there. You get pi over 2. Does anybody have questions on this one? Okay, pi over 2. Let's type that in. Pi over 2. And it says we're right. Okay, let's go back and end the recording.